Wọ́n kí ògbó wa nílé lóko. Wípé àkóbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí ìwọ̀n kẹ́yìn ìyá mú kẹ́yìn bàbá mú kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mú kí àbúrò ẹ̀mí ọmọ yẹn olólùfẹ́ yín. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọ sí yọ lọ́dọ̀ tí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ máa yọ fún wa, lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Èwo la mú wá fún wa lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Wípé ká sáré ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe máa ń ṣe. Yorùbá ni mí, Yorùbá ni ìran mi. Well done. Not half Fulani. Now. Mo mọ̀ wípé òtítọ́ ló máa lékè irọ́ bó ṣe lè hùn kó mọ tírọ́ bá lọ lógún ọdún ọjọ́ kan ṣoṣo báyìí òun lòtítọ́ ló máa bá. Very dark man Sowore, Chief Sunday Igboho, àwọn mẹ́ta yẹn nísìnyí ní Nàìjíríà wípé wọ́n fìyà jẹ mí o. Short. Ẹni tí ò wá ní ènìyàn gan, ẹ wo the other guy tó ní kán lọ pa torí pé ó jí adìyẹ, bóyá lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó jí adìyẹ wọ́n tún ní kó lọ ó jí tẹlifíṣàn or whatever. Ṣé mọ̀ wípé tí ò bá jẹ́ wípé pẹ̀lú orí ìyá ẹ̀ àti orí ẹlẹ́dàá tiẹ̀ wípé òyìn nìkan ṣe láyé tó fi ní luck láti lè get in touch pẹ̀lú Lady Biola yìí. Tí ò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kí náà bá máa sọ léyìí. Ṣé wàá mọ̀ wípé àìmọye ẹ̀dá, àìmọye ọmọ tán bí nínú obìnrin tó wà níbẹ̀. Yes, òótọ́ ni ó pọ̀ káàkiri àgbáyé, ó wà ní UK yìí náà, ó wà l'Amẹ́ríkà, ó wà ní gbogbo ibi. Wípé ẹni tí ò mọwọ́ tí ò mẹsẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé orí takò bọ́ tí ọ̀dọ̀ títí wá torí pé kò sí justice. Ẹ wo fídíò ní ibi tí ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá tó ti ń interview èèyàn wípé why, kí ni right tó ní tó ń bú president, kí ni right tó ní tó lọ sórí tó bá bú president ta ni kó wá bú. Mo rò pé gbogbo ọlá tí wo fídíò yẹn bọ́ máa gbé wá. Ó gba omi lójú èèyàn wípé fídíò yìí mọ bí mo ṣe lè ṣe. Because tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ téèyàn bá gbọ́ full details, téèyàn bá kàn ṣe lórégè kò máa try as much as possible láti lè mú méjèèjì mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta gan láti lè jẹ́ kó wọ orí kìíní so that ẹ máa lè understand ibo ni mo ti ń bọ̀, nǹkan tí mò ń sọ gangan tó máa fi ní meaning. Wípé tẹ bá gbọ́ wípé ó ti tán ṣèfìní, ó yẹ kán sọ wípé Nàìjíríà ó ti tán ṣèfìní. Yes, ó yẹ kó tún ní sọ́ọ̀nìmù sìn kó máa jẹ́ sọ́ọ̀nìmù ó ti tán ṣèfìní. Yeah. Kó tó di pé a máa wá lọ sórí yẹn, quick one, ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé fídíò sister yìí wá. Mo mọ̀ wípé àánú abiyamọ máa ṣe é torí wípé kí ni ó ti yẹ kí n ká wo ti ìyá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tó bá bóyá bí táwọn ṣe pamọ́ sí nìyẹn. Torí ìgbà tán ti débẹ̀ nísìn ó yẹ ká tiẹ̀ tí wá rí wípé nínú state tó wà, hospital tó wà ń bẹ ó ṣe é rí tàbí ó ṣe é wò. Ibi táwọn máa ń náwó sí látọjọ́ àárọ̀ wọn kó tó di pé wọ́n lọ sórí oyè gan, ilé jó, mọ́tò jó, ṣọ́ọ̀bù jó, ọjà jó, nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn òun làwọn náwó sí. Irú ọmọbìnrin tá fẹ́ gbé wá yìí sìn, a lot ẹni tó bá rí ẹni gbóhùn sórí ayélujára ni tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé àwọn pípù yìí mọ̀ wípé àwọn ẹni yìí ní ẹ̀tọ́ sí irú ìtọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n dá wa lágara, ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé wá, kí n wá gbé ti ìyá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, kí n gbé tiwọn náà wá ká ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó wá lọ sí dìmí nǹkan tó mú wa fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fídíò program yìí ní gangan wípé ẹ má gbàgbé o, ẹ bá mi type síbẹ̀, ó ti tán ṣèfìní. Ó ṣe kí ni ó ti tán ṣèfìní. Ẹ jẹ́ a sáré lọ wo ti lady yìí náà ká tó tẹ̀síwájú. Gbé ti tó bá jẹ́ ibi tán fi àṣírí wọn sí nìyẹn tó yẹ 2000 ẹ má jẹ́ n sọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ jù. Let's go there. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ́jọ́ fojú wọ̀ wá.
ọmọ Nàìjíríà ràn mí lọ́wọ́ o. Mo sì rò pé tí mo bá ti sáfíìsì rè pé màá ran àwọn òbí mi lọ́wọ́. Mo ṣùgbọ́n mo ní kí ní problem báyìí o.
Kí ni orúkọ ẹ?
Elijah Moyeoluwa.
Ok, Elijah Moyeoluwa. Ok, kí ni àìsàn tó gbé ẹ wá sí hospital bí báyìí?
Kidney failure.
Kidney failure. Ok, ó tó ìgbà wo báyìí tí ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀?
Àti
June. Ẹ má sunkún mọ́, Ọlọ́run á fún ẹ lálàáfíà.
Àmín.
Mo gbọ́ pé kò tí pẹ́ tó parí sáfíìsì ẹ, ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Báwo ni ẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí ọmọdé yìí?
Èmi ni màmá Moyeoluwa.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyá, ọ̀nà wo lẹ fi ń rí owó láti fi tọ́jú ẹ̀?
Aláàrù ni mí o. Pákó ni mo ń rù tà. Mo dẹ̀ ti gba lápò. Ìfúndò mi ò lè dún ládùúgbò gan. Ṣe ni mò ń sá ládùúgbò torí mo ti yáwó. Kò sáwọn tó tún fẹ́ yá mi lówó mọ́. Òun ni mo ṣe wá bẹ̀bẹ̀ kí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà kó jọ ọkọ ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Ọmọ Nàìjíríà ràn mí lọ́wọ́ o. Mo sì rò pé tí mo bá ti sáfíìsì rè pé màá ran àwọn òbí mi lọ́wọ́. Mo ṣùgbọ́n mo ní kí ní problem báyìí o. Ẹ jẹ́ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kí n kú. Ọmọ yín náà ní kú o. Ẹ jẹ́ ẹ ṣàánú mi o. Ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ o. Àfi sẹ́wọ̀n mi lórí ká lọ wá o. Ààrẹ ní owó kan dání. Owó dání sì sí gan ní ìlà ń ya. Ẹ jẹ́ ẹ ṣàánú mi.
Moyeoluwa, ó yá sọ àkáǹtì nọ́mbà tó fẹ́ kán bẹ́ẹ̀ sanwó sí.
First Bank 3220948442 Elijah Janet Abọ́sẹ̀dé.
Gbogbo àwa ọmọ Nàìjíríà tí à ń rí fídíò yìí wò nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi, ó lágbára. Nǹkan tó ṣe ni láàánú tó jẹ́ pé ó pa ẹ̀mí gan lẹ́kún ni fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Nítorí pé kí ni ìyá tẹ̀ ń wò yìí, kí àwọn máa ṣe àgbàrú pákó ní sawmill ni wọ́n ń ṣe tí wọ́n fi tọ́ ọmọdé yìí ní school tó fi lọ sí polytechnic Ọ̀fà poli ló lọ. Fídíò pé ẹ mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí abiyamọ pé èmi ò kàwé káwọn ọmọ mi náà kà ni ìyá yìí ṣe tán fi ru wákó tán fi gbowó lápò owó oríṣiríṣi tán fi tọ́mọ ẹ̀ jáde. Ibi tọ́mọ ẹ̀ ti lọ serve àti ibẹ̀ ló ti ní kidney problem. Ó mà ṣe o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fi àkókò ìrọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ rí fídíò yìí pátápátá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nǹkan tí ẹ bá mọ̀ pé ẹ lè ṣe fọ́mọdé yìí, kò sí owó tó kéré jù. Ìwọ náà tí kò dẹ̀ sí owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ti ń rí fídíò yìí máa bá mi share. Bá a mọ̀ ẹ lè share dọ́dọ̀ ẹni tó máa ran Moyeoluwa lọ́wọ́. Mo gbàdúrà fún yín lórúkọ Jésù. Ọmọ yín náà ò ní ṣàìsàn o. Gbogbo wa pátápátá la máa jèrè ọmọ o.
Bó ṣe lè jẹ́ àmọ́ bó ṣe lè rìn. Ẹni tí wọ́n bá lè ràn lọ́wọ́ tàbí òun náà lẹ́ni kejì ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ran wa lọ́wọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pín sọ́dọ̀ ẹlòmíì náà. Tí wọ́n ò bá lágbára, wọ́n bá jẹ́ 2000, bá jẹ́ 3000 or any amount tá bá lè fi ran ọmọbìnrin yẹn lọ́wọ́. Àwọn nǹkan tí àwọn olórí wa tó ń pè ní ògo ọ̀la wa, òun nìyẹn. Kò yé yín sìn, òun nìyẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó ń ṣe tán, àwọn ọmọ tó fẹ́ lọ sí, tó fẹ́ jẹ́ medical student, tó ń já wọn sí èlùbọ́ student, tó ń gbé àwọn ọmọ tó ń lè ka nǹkan kan tó ń ní làákàyè, tó ń fi wọ́n sí medical student. Tó wá jẹ́ pé gbà tí 1000 jáde nínú wọn, bóyá bíi 10 nínú orí fi sí gan pàṣẹ wọn náà síbẹ̀ ni. Àwọn tó rí wọn pé bí alájọ Ṣómólú, wọ́n dá àwọn yẹn sínú agriculture. Àwọn yẹn rí pé kò ń ṣe star, àwọn kò ń ṣe ọ̀nà àwọn ọ̀láìkẹ́, àwọn padà gbalé ọkọ tàbí padà lọ fi ṣe yahoo. Irú ibi tá a bára wa nìyẹn. Nàìjíríà ṣèfìní, ó ti tán ṣèfìní. Ojoojúmọ́ làwa ń sọ. àwọn àhẹ́ẹ̀tì ìjọba bí òun ṣe wípé ìjọba ò ṣe nǹkan tá a fẹ́. Mo tiẹ̀ gbọ́ lórí Arise tí bá lè pè wá wípé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lóyìnbó ẹ dúró sọ̀hún ẹ má ì ti wà o. Yeah, because nǹkan tẹ́ need kò sí. Lady yẹn sọ pé àìmọye tó ti dá business sílẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé ó padà wọlé ni, and it's true. Èmi àti yín a lè sọ mélòó business lè ti dá sílẹ̀, mélòó la ti dá sílẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ẹ máa padà tì ní. Ta ní òògùn láti lọ ṣe ilé làbọ̀ sí mi ọkọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ èyí tí ìyá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu nǹkan tán sọ àti nǹkan tí àwọn onílàákàyè tó bá jẹ́bi tó bá yẹ kán sọ sí àsọ pé onílàákàyè ni wọ́n, ọjọ́ tán bá dẹ̀ sọ tí ò bá mèkì làákàyè àsọ pé kò mèkì làákàyè. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣe ká dẹ̀ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń fi sọ fún question tó ń béèrè. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé question yẹn wọn ò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa raise ẹ understand sí, but ta ló ní capacity, ta ló lè face wọn, ẹ understand sí, ta ló lè béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. Accountability, ta ló fẹ́ béèrè? Nobody. Now let's go there. Ẹ jẹ́ àsáré lọ́wọ́ wa.
Mrs. Tinubu, yes, we applaud her generosity. But the question to ask is, where is the money coming from? The victims of fuel scooping in Niger State
yeah.
at the Diko Bridge, many of them died, right? So I think we have to return to that residual point. The governor of Niger State has already banned the movement of fuel tankers on that Diko Bridge. 3 incidents in 1 month.
Horrible.
What is the guarantee that when the next tanker collapses on that bridge, people will not go and scoop fuel? That is what Nigeria needs to worry about.
Yeah.
Transportation. How many people will Mrs. Tinubu give 100, is it 100 million?
100 million.
100 million, you know, after their people have died in fuel tanker collapses. Again, there is also a geographical matter to it. The people of Enugu State have also complained that another tanker, you know, had an issue at is it my 12 they call it, or last mile, whatever, in Enugu State. They too, they are asking for their own money. But the question is, where is Mrs. Tinubu getting this money from?
Yeah.
Is it that
she said renewed hope?
yeah, the
Dr.
renewed hope
Abadi
initiative. Who is funding it? Where is this? Where is this money that keeps coming out?
All right, we have
in a remarkable style.
Yes.
You know, everywhere there's a problem, Mrs. Turumbu comes to the rescue. The people of Enugu are asking for their own.
Okay.
And
I
I'm
guess
sure Lagos State, did you people
no,
have
we
a
don't.
tanker?
No, we didn't have any tanker
Okay.
explosion.
So that you can ask for your own.
I guess this is the budget. This is what we have to do. We'll probably have to invite her or go and visit her and ask her those questions. But again, it is from her renewed hope initiative. So she has said, but you, like you said, accountability. We need to know who is donating. Wow, Dr. Abati, I'm sure you are part of the people donating. we know
I'm a struggling journalist.
We know you. Well, all right.
I'm a struggling journalist.
Well, all right.
Ká ṣe ní pàápàá kí lè rí sí i. Ṣé mo wí pọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa ṣe? Bóyá òun ló wà ní sàlẹ̀ kíní wọn ni o. Nobody knows. But kó tó di wípé wọ́n dórí oyè làwa ti mọ̀ wọ́n sí yẹn. Wọn ò dẹ̀ ń dá sí èyí tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn bí. Bọ̀ èyí tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní gbogbo àwọn òkè yẹn. Tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́nà òkè yẹn. Ẹ máa gbọ́ millions bó ṣe ń bù fún wọn. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n fi wọ́n joyè àwòdì, ọ̀hún ò lè gbádìyẹ jó, ọ̀hún ò lè gbádìyẹ. Tó ń rí iṣẹ́ wọn bí iṣẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ kán ṣe, wọ́n fi sílẹ̀, wọ́n lọ ranjú nǹkan mọ́ mi. Mi ò ní lè wá lọ gbé ti very dark man yẹn wá, ó máa dùn mí. But táyé bá gbà mí, màá sáré gbé ti very dark man wá pẹ̀lú ti ọlọ́pàá yìí àti ti ọ̀gbẹ́ni yìí, òun ló máa dùn jù. Nǹkan tó gbé wọn fún, mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ wípé lọ́ọ̀yà ti gbé ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Ìyẹn tó bá lè tó bá tún fi pupa gbé funfun o. Tó bá ẹ mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà ló ń gbẹ̀bí fálárì tó ń gbàre fẹ́ lẹ́bi. wípé àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ayélujára torí pé ó bú president tàbí ó bú senate àwọn lẹ́rìlẹ̀ dìmọ́ àwọn tí àwọn irú àwọn ilé ẹjẹ́ ń gbé wá kẹ wá wo nǹkan tán ṣe fún àwọn ilé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé méjèèjì wá jẹ́ kí mi ṣe cup of tea kẹ máa bá mi ká lọ now let's go there.
Okay, my name is Chigozie Edozia. Or my son classmate take my son to the man without my son knowing that he's the agent of the man. So he take my son to the man. The man now give my son an Locozebo to take. After my son take the Locozebos, my son went away. Does not know what he's doing again. And I picked my son to Egbeda side to his house, and he molested my son. And the boy is a tender boy, is a boy of 16 years. He's a 16 years old boy. So I won't let the world knows that let them call on the man so that the man can come and do what he did to my son. Let my son be okay. That is the main thing that is bothering me. I never slept on my house since January 5th. I reported on police station when I come back from East, because I'm in the East when this thing happened. So the incident happened when I'm in the East, when he confessed to her mother. So when he confessed to her mother now called me on 28th, said that my son is misbehaving. I should come back. And they never tell me what happened. That my son, I've confessed to him on 26th of December. So I rush, I come back on 4th. On 5th, I went to Isheri police station. So when I went, I make an entry with my son. My son now write a statement. Then my son, when with prayer is going on, my son get himself under 2 days. He got himself. I now take him to the station. He make a statement by himself. He write a statement by himself. He call some of those boys that take him to the man, Balogu and Mega, and the other one, where they are about 4. I don't know the other 2 names, but they are about 4. He mentioned their name, that bring him to the man. So then the police people now get one of the victims that my son calling them. The boy did a statement finish. Then the boy, after the boy statement, then take the boy statement, then take the boy interview with Camela. Then Camela the boy with phone. Take the boy interview. Do the boy interview. Then at the process, I waited for them to arrest the McDon. Then did not arrest the McDon. Next thing, I went to Isheri. Then said that the lawyer of the man went to the police station and report instead of the man to report. Then now he went to the man, tell the man the matter is what he will not report. He will go back to they will enforce the matter so that I cannot be able to do what is in the matter. They now take the matter to zone 2. I don't know the office, then take it there. So to zone 2. So they now calling me on phone, telling me that I should come to zone 2. I should come so that all of us we went to zone 2. They say I should call my wife to come and so that then we advise him what to say in the police station there and my son, so that when we reach there, then they will know what to do better. They say the matter is in our favor. I say okay, I don't hear. I now call my brother, tell my brothers, because I never tell them what happened, so that they will not blame me why I did not involve them. I talked to my brother. My brother now went to AIG in zone 2 there and make an entry with me. So the AIG now sent to arrest the man in the hotel. Then went there, they don't see the man himself. We now pick all the workers, about 8 of them, to zone 2. Then the man reported on Monday morning. When the man reports, we went to AIG office. AIG asked my son whether he know the man. My son said yes, that he know the man. They asked the man whether he know my son. The man said he did not know my son. He never see my son for anything. So AIG now tell us to go and meet OC. So we went to OC office, then give my wife paper to write another statement because I have wrote my own statement when I go with my brother. My son now writes, my wife now writes statement. After my wife writes statement, then detain the man that day. Then Monday passed, Tuesday. On Wednesday, they now bear the man. The man now come out from the zone 2 custody. So I now call zone 2 on Thursday morning. Then say that the man, they have released the man. They are doing proper investigation. I said, okay, no problem. Can we went to Isheri where I first report for them to confirm my report there? They said they are coming there. They now come down to Isheri police station. Then when we enter DPO office, DPO is harassing me. Say, why? Where am I for long? He's looking for me to go to zone 2. I say, sir, can you calm down? Let me explain for you. The man says, don't want to hear from me, don't want to hear from me. Without that man knowing that him boys have worked at his back, removing all the statement of Balogu statement, then remove it from my file, then remove the hospital statement test. One that they're supposed to hold is because Minabel said that they will not give me the result, that they will give the police the report. Then, and there is penetrate, when we went to Minabel, doctor tell me there is penetrate in my son anus 2 times. He get one touch that the doctor put there. He said there is a penetrate, but it's never much, but there is a penetrate. So then the result that then report from Isheri also to zone 2, no carry any penetrate to my son. So I now say, this is why I'm calling you to explain for you, and you are telling me you are working. Why your boys is working another thing at your back? So when they bring the file, the DPO open the file. The DPO puts hand on his head. Say, wow, where is Balogu's statement? It's not in the statement. Where is the video that you people covered that you tell me? It's not there. Nothing. It's only my wife's statement and my son's statement is and the result. They don't change the result. The result is not the normal result there, which I can prove it to them when we went to Minabel. I know government doesn't do wayo. I know that. Then we prove it for them. That they can even tomorrow, they know that people that will help me out, let's get the original result from Minabel. That is what I'm pleading for. Because the result that they bring is not the result that the doctor tell me. And doctor let me know that he will not report the result to me. He will report to police station. That is why if I can be able to collect the result that day, even to give them money, I will give money and collect the result to prove myself. So, but because it's a government something, I don't have order there. So, when the DPO shock, and I call on the IPO, tell and say, oh yeah, go and bring all those things. Why did you remove it from the file? DPO say, these people don't kill me. And I call the woman of in charge of the human rights in that police custody. Is the woman and is the one that done this thing. That woman that is in human rights custody is the one that done this matter. Isheri Oshuhia police station. So the DPO is not aware that then remove that thing. But he then bring paper for him, as in people that he working with him. He just sign a signature for the back without opening the paper, my file, and check whether everything complete. So he's hoping that everything is well. And they are assuring me that everything is on my favor. But that is why I'm calling on him. It's annoying for me because he thinks that is whatever he thought is what is going on. He doesn't know that then when the man notice now they don't come out that thing, the man begin to plead me. They tell me that he's sorry. That he don't know that is why I'm calling him. That he's very, very sorry. Now we went to the boy house, the Balogu house, to pick the Balogu with his own 2 people. The Balogu is not. They say he went to lesson for jam lesson. So we went back to police station. Then we now pick the IPO that is in charge of my matter. The IPO, right now I'm discussing with you. The IPO sleep there day before yesterday, sleep there yesterday. He sleep here, he go still sleep there today. I don't know about tomorrow. So it's on zone 2 custody now, the IPO. So why they are querying the DPO? They say the DPO should report tomorrow. And that woman that is in charge of a human right that caused all this incident that is happening now. The woman collected their money and sell my statement and my test to get because of money. Because of money. Now sell everything that I bring out for him. He sell everything. Now, zone 2 people say they need the fat. And they are doing proper investigation to get the fat. So then send me back. When we went to station yesterday, they sent me back to house to go and get my son. They asked me whether my son's phone is around. I tell them that day that this thing happened, that incident happened to my son. Then collected my son's phone. I don't know whether it's McDonald that set my son up. And when he strike his devilish attack to my son, and then send their boys, then collected my son's phone. And remove the SIM card, put for my son's pocket. Beat my son merciless. If he see my son, he cannot see human being on him. I take him to hospital, I treat him. Then now, since that time, my son know they get himself. I'm pleading everybody to help me to plead that man, to tell that man to release whatever he holds that belongs to me, my son. He should release as he. So if you know what he do to my son, let him do it back. That is what I'm pleading. I'm begging the whole world to help me and plead him. Make he release what he do to my son. Make my son be okay. If my son dey okay, I'm okay. Let him do my son, make my son dey okay. I'll be okay. I'll be fine. The only thing is my son health. That is where I'm calling the whole world to come and help me. That is where I'm calling everybody to come and help me. I cannot do it alone. I have nobody. That is why they say the man get money, do this one. He bribe everywhere. He carry money up and down. He bribe everywhere to make sure that he come out for this matter. But I hope that God will review his snatch in this matter because my hand is clean. Since when I was born, I never experienced such. I never know what is then called homochesua or whatever. It's this one, I saw it. I don't even know that this kind of victim will fall on me. I never know. So please, I'm begging, let the world help me out of this matter.
Destiny, how old are you? 30. Which town are you from? Which town? One day local government of Edo State. Since when have you started creating content? Last 2 years. How much have you made so far from all this? On TikTok or Facebook? So what is your mission by creating this content and spreading falsehood without verifying? Because we have seen the content you have made. For instance, you said the Deputy Commissioner of Police was giving arms to bandits. And you deliberately released this video after the Nigerian Police Force officially made a statement to debunk it. What is your rationale? What's the rationale behind it and what's your mission?
At first, I don't really know, especially this particular one. I don't know that it was an old news.
But you're on social media.
Yes, I didn't know.
You've been on social media for the past 2 years. No, this is not the first time police will be debunking this particular case. I'm
not just there for full time. At times I do it. At times sometimes.
So you don't monitor social media, but you live fat on social media.
Yes, I don't. Honestly, I didn't know that this particular one, it was a fake. I just saw it.
Okay. You analyze the budget for the office of the vice president and the president. That they said they are spending 9-something billion for refreshment. Have you seen the proposed budget yourself?
I have not seen it.
Have you done the analysis of the budget allocation?
No, sir.
So why did you come on here to say they said according to information? Have you verified the information? What is the source of the information? Then you came online to do analysis and attacking this proposal.
It was from a Nigerian news blog. I saw
Did you verify?
No, sir.
They said they should put nail for Mr. President.
The president went to Enugu. Destiny. The president went to Enugu. You abuse the leaders in Enugu for receiving the president. That somebody, they should put nails on the chair for so that the president can die. If you want to call attention of the government to incidences and things you are not comfortable with, is it to call for the death of Mr. President?
No, I didn't call for the death.
So if somebody sits on nails, what's the meaning? Let us assume it's a dramatic expression. What's the meaning for somebody to sit on the nail?
I was not referring to President Tinubu.
Who's president of Ghana?
No, I was just making my church a content.
Can they play it so that I can see it?
Yes, I was the one that did it. I know the video, sir.
So who are you
What type
referring
of
to?
names were you referring to?
No, who are you referring to that visited Enugu State? Who are you? If it's not Mr. President, then who?
Enugu is just a time in my church area.
You know what?
In your church?
No, in my community side.
Enugu?
Yes.
In your community side?
Nnamdi Kanu is that.
But you put a picture of the governor of Enugu State and also Mr.
Nnamdi Kanu and the president.
And Nnamdi Kanu. Then who are you now referring to? Is it Nnamdi Kanu? Is it Mr. President? Is it governor?
I just did the video.
You are not making
What
sense.
motivated your video? That particular one. Who asked you to? Who asked you to say that?
Clefe?
Nobody asked me.
Nobody asked you.
You are saying you are
I
not
just
referring
saw it
to.
online. I did it.
You saw it online. From where? Can you quote your source?
From,
Then you have said again that.
Twitter.
Twitter, yes.
Which
Okay,
Twitter?
can you tell us again why you have decided to do the video to tell that the IGP has directed that they should be arresting everybody who criticizes the government? Have you done that? Why did you do the video? Because I saw you displayed my tweets in your video.
Yes, sir.
I made a tweet that to rain curses on somebody is a criminal offense. To rain curses on somebody is different from criticizing me or calling my attention to something wrong. If you say, Jobi, your policemen are collecting money, so please, oh, you guys should go and arrest them. We don't want nonsense. We want better police criticism. But not that Jobi, because your policemen are collecting money on Jota, your child should die. Your children should die. Everything you have should destroy. It's not criticism. So you did the cut of the tweet. You now pasted it and you are saying the IGP has given instructions in order to policemen that every person criticizing the government be arrested. Did IG say so?
No.
So why did you do the video?
I didn't, honestly.
What's the meaning of honesty? Do you know the meaning of honesty?
Explain yourself.
I just thought that it was the IG.
You thought?
Yes, I just thought it was the
Why
IG. I
sleeping
didn't
or why
know
alive?
in place.
Even if I spoken on behalf of the IG, was that what I tweeted? You get what I'm saying? If you are saying okay, Destiny, let's assume.
What's your intention?
Wait, excuse me. Let's assume I have made a statement on behalf of the IG. I speak for the IG. I speak for the police. I've made a statement. What you did, was it in consonance with the statement I made?
I just read my own.
Are you a journalist?
To it. No, I'm a content creator.
So what is your intention? Your content is creator. What has been your drive? What has been your drive in this content creator?
I just need to put a government. At least.
You what?
A better government. Better to best as they come.
Yeah, but if you want to criticize the government, you have your point, you analyze your point, you engage the government, you can engage in deliberation. I know the government may even call you to say, okay, we are not aware of this, let us discuss. But it's not to deliberately create falsehood in form of a content. And you'll be sharing all your platforms. You have more than 5 or 10 handles. Even on Facebook alone, you have almost, how many pages? 5 pages on Facebook alone.
wọ́n lè kàn sí pé a kò wojú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mo rò pé gbogbo wa pátápátá láti rí bó ṣe kún bọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bùú mi ò ní lè gbé ti very dark man wá lọ́jọ́ títí òní torí pé kò sí àkókò ìyẹn náà ṣe ni láàánú àwọn tó ń kìlọ̀ bá very dark man èwo ni ò bá jẹ́ priority fún wọn tó yẹ kán mú èyí tó ń ṣe pẹ̀lú ọmọ kékeré ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe ṣe ilé ayé pẹ̀lú ọmọ kékeré o ẹ tún wá wo nǹkan tí olówó sọ tálákàdá ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń sọ ìgbésí ayé ọmọ kékeré yẹn wo nǹkan tó ń sọdà àní nàìjíríà burú òní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín kí ni sọ́ọ̀nì mu ìlú nàìjíríà tí mo sọ bá mi tá ìbẹ́ síbẹ̀ nàìjíríà burú kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín c'est fini ó ti tán c'est fini. Ìyá bàbá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àti àbúrò mi mo rò pé bíbá ẹ̀ la máa mú ètò wa sí òpin sí lọ́jọ́ títí òní mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bá mi ká lọ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń bá wa láìkì ètò wa àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń bá wa pín àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì sílẹ̀ èmi náà ni àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Ayọ̀pẹ́yọ tàbí talk show no going back lágbára lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run ìgbà wo ní àmọ́ àkókò wo ní àmọ́ bọ́ kí làmọ́ àmọ́ rí pé a máa kúrò nínú oko ẹrú ó ń ṣọmọ olókù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a ní sí pẹ̀lú òkú ẹ̀ ó ṣe èèwọ̀ òrìṣà. God bless you. One love. Bye for now.
This is good news to all. But first of all, write this number down. 1-845-293-8937. You will get through to Define Travels and Tours. They help you process and obtain USA work permit visa, tourism and visiting visa, vacation and cruises. Wow! The USA work permit visa allows you to legitimately work anywhere in USA once you arrive. Interesting. Call Divine Travels and Tours, New York, USA on 1-845-293-8937 or send email to divinetravelstours5@gmail.com. Divine Travels and Tours is tested, trusted, and reliable.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.